there, my name is Olga and welcome to my new video lesson in English. In this video I'm gonna show you guys how to deal with two-point perspective. Here we go, so let's get started, let's find all these vanishing points. It is the drawing we will accomplish during this lesson, and I will show you how you can make two-point perspective in a really easy and fun way. So let's start by drawing a horizon line and putting some kind of a vertical line somewhere in between, and let's draw two vanishing points, A1 to the left and A2 to the right. Let's divide this line into three equal parts, and the next step is holding a line starting from A1, for example. Of course, you can use your ruler or maybe eraser if you need to, but I do recommend you to use to draw it by hands, because it's an excellent exercise for you. After that, we take this distance and put it to the right, and after that we drawing one more line starting from A2, and the same manipulation. Let's take this distance, this segment, and put it to the left, and drawing a line from our left vanishing points. And basically what we have now, we have a square, a four square in perspective. So I will show it in my blue pen. Now I want to draw a second square using my first one. Let's draw two diagonal lines. The intersection of diagonals gives us a midpoint, and through this midpoint we once again holding a line from our vanishing point, and you can see I will use my dark blue pen. It intersects here, and we connect the very left point with this new intersected one. So here we go, one more intersection, and through this point we drawing a line from our A2, and as you can see we have second square. To make third square we need once again two diagonal lines, and of course if you use your ruler and eraser your drawing will be much more accurate, but I think you get the idea. The method is really very easy. All you need to do is to be really focused and motivated. Great, let's polish our principles on the left side of our flooring. So once again, drawing a line from A2 through this midpoint of the very first square we've already done, and connecting these two lines, new intersection, and connecting it with A1 with the line. So once again, two diagonals, midpoint, yes, and through this midpoint, line, intersection, and connecting these 2 points. So it's really fun and easy, because all you need to do is just repeat after me and you will get this idea. And what I'm gonna do now is to prolong these lines from our vanishing point through the flooring, and here we go, voila! Now we have this nice grid on the floor, but let's make it also on our ceiling and on the walls. So first of all, let's use our squares on the floor and their points, and draw some vertical lines which are parallel to each other, and let's make the same steps to the right. So remember, they are parallel to each other and to the very first vertical line we did. Remember, we divided this first vertical line into three equal parts. And what I like about this method, that it makes really very easy and fun creating, for example, interior perspective. So let's imagine that it is an it is a room with a ceiling 3 meters height, and each of the segment on the first vertical line, for example, it's 1 centimeter, which means that it's our scale 1 to 100. 1 meter equals 1 centimeter on paper, and using this technique we can make a very nice meter grid on the floor, and after we did it, we can put any furniture, any dimensions of the furniture. It will be really very easy. And now I want to put some color on my squares, and I want to do it checker-wise. And let's select new color from our markers. I'm using Copic Chow markers, and let's put this color to the ceiling to make this drawing even more epic, even more fun. And of course I've chosen bluish because for this YouTube video my nails are blue, so everything is gonna be blue and maybe orange. Let's see. Why orange? Because orange is a complementary color to the blue according to the color wheel. So here we go. And I want to do it checkwise, as I did with all my previous squares. So hope you enjoyed this video, and of course I want to welcome you guys to my video course in English for interior designers. Check out the link down below and visit my website for more information. Thank you so much for watching. Please share this video with your creative friends, maybe on Facebook, on social media. And at the very end, I want to invite you to join my completely free online challenge. It's a mini course on perspective drawing. So if you are an interior designer or interior design student, it would be great for you. So direct link is in the description box below. So see you there. Bye for now. And of course, my dear friends, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends.